Hello students, we had been doing function of models. So we had discussed about the use of can, can't, may and will. So we'll be continuing today. So today we'll be discussing the use of would, should and should not. So the first, altogether there are three uses of would which we are going to discuss today. The first one is to make a request. Would is used to make a request. Now I have already mentioned that for a particular function more than one model can be used. So we might have repeated, we might have done another model which shows request, but would also shows. We can also use would to make a request. For example, would you mind if I sit here? So someone is asking to another person, if he says there, would that person mind? Might be that the person is sitting on some bench or something which belong to another person. So he is asking that whether he can sit there or not. So to make a request also would can be used. Second one is to express wish. Someone wish something, someone desires something. To in order to show that wish also would can be used. For example, I wish you would not chatter so much. For example, here it's not chapter, it's chatter. Please rectify it, it's chatter. So he wishes that it would have been better if that person would not have been chattered or spoken so much. He is so talkative. So that is a wish. And number 3 is to express an imaginary situation. Would is also used to show something which is imaginary. Someone wants to do something and that is possible only in imagination, and so to express an imaginary situation also would can be used. For example, I would go to London someday. Someone is wishing, someone is imagining that he will go to London someday, that day will come. So here we have discussed three function of models. Function of would, one is to make a request, second is to express wish, and number 3 is to express an imaginary situation. In example number 2, I wish you would not chatter. It's not chapter, it's chatter. I request you to all to rectify this word. Now moving further, next model we will be discussing a should. Now here we'll be discussing three functions of should also. First one is to express duty or obligation. We should not break the rules. So first, should is used to show duty. Someone has to do something. So we should not break the rules is an example. It is our moral duty. It is our obligation. Obligation also means duty, that we should not break the rules. Number 2, to give instruction or advice. We use the word should in order to give instruction or advice that someone should do something. There is a bit of compulsion when we use should. You should do your work. Someone should do your work and it's compulsory. Okay. To recommend actions. So someone is proposing to do some action, recommending some action. We should check the timings. So one person is saying to another that they should check the timing, so he's recommending an action. In order to recommend an action also should can be used. So as we have discussed three functions of would, we have also discussed three functions of should. Those are to express duty or obligation, to give instruction or advice, and to recommend action. And number 3 is should not. Should not shows negation. Okay, for example, we have discussed can and can't. Can is the positive form and can't is the negative form. The function of can't was also negation. Similarly, the function should not is also negation. It is the negative of should. So Rahul should not have misbehaved. He should not have misbehaved. He has done a wrong thing by misbehaving. Okay, it will be misbehaved. Add D also over here. So this is the example of should not. So here today we have discussed three models: would, should, and should not. So remaining one will be discussing in coming classes.